now see the detailed explanation about the causes of postpartum hemorrhage. So here I prepared a flip chart to show the causes of postpartum hemorrhage. Let's start with the causes of PPH. So first cause of PPH is atonic uterus. So 80% of PPH is caused by atonicity of the uterus or uterine muscles. So atonicity means absence of muscle stones. Absence of muscle stones of the uterus, that will be the major cause of postpartum hemorrhage. So there are various causes that can be lead the atonicity of the uterus. कि uterus के अंदर में जो टोन है वो कैसे एब्सेंस हो जाता है, यूट्रस एक ही टोन में किस तरह से रहता है. तो ग्रैंड मल्टीपैरा इज वन ऑफ द मेजर कॉज ऑफ एटोनिसिटी ऑफ द यूट्रस. ओवर डिस्टेंशन ऑफ द यूट्रस, यूट्रस के अंदर अगर मल्टीपल प्रेगनेंसी है या पॉलीहाइड्रमनेस है, एक्सेसिव अमाउंट में यदि एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द यूट्राइन कैविटी, दैट विल आल्सो लीड द एटोनिसिटी ऑफ द यूट्रस. एंड द माल न्यूट्रिशन एंड एनीमिया related to mother condition. Antepartum hemorrhage, if mother is suffered from the antepartum hemorrhage during her pregnancy, so that can be a cause of atonicity of the uterus. Then prolonged labor, if the duration of labor is more than 12 hours or more than 15 or 16 hours, that can also lead the atonicity of the uterus. Anesthesia, due to the effect of anesthesia or anesthetic agent, that can also adverse effect of the muscles of the uterus, and that will definitely lead the atonicity of the uterus. And malformation of the uterus, अगर anatomically malformation है uterus का, तो उससे भी atonicity of the uterus हो सकता है. Initiation और augmentation of लेबर बाय ऑक्सीटोसिन, अगर आपने डिलीवरी को ऑगमेंट किया है या इनिशिएट किया है, आपने ऑक्सीटोसिन को इंड्यूस करा के अगर आपने लेबर को इंड्यूस कराया है, तो इससे भी एक चांसेस हो सकता है कि जो यूट्रस है उसके अंदर में एटोनिसिटी है, उसके जो टोन है वो एब्सेंस हो जाए. देन यूट्राइन फिब्रॉइड, इफ मदर हैज यूट्राइन फिब्रॉइड, दैट ऑल्सो अ लीडिंग कॉज ऑफ एटोनिसिटी ऑफ द uterus. Then mismanage the third stage of labor. As I told you earlier, the third stage is very crucial stage. If it is mismanaged, that will also cause of atonicity of uterus. Then other causes of atonicity of uterus, they are not exact cause, but that may be risk for atonicity of the uterus, like obesity and the age more than 40 years, and the tocolytic drugs like magnesium sulfate and nifedipine and all. So this is all about the atonicity of the uterus की जो टोन है वो एब्सेंस हो जाएगी यूट्रस की, और वो किस कारण से हो सकती है. तो जो कॉजेज आपको मैंने बताए, दैट विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एटोनिसिटी ऑफ द यूट्रस. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट कॉज ऑफ PPH. Then we will move the second one. So second cause, trauma. 20% of PPH is cause of PPH is associated with the trauma of the uterus. So trauma is associated with the following: operative delivery and the episiotomy wound, trauma of the cervix, vagina and perineum. So this is all about the trauma. Then we will see the third cause of PPH, retained placenta or retained tissue. If any parts of placenta or its membranes remains inside the uterine cavity, or a bit of membranes remains inside the uterine cavity, definitely that will lead the postpartum hemorrhage. Another and last cause of postpartum hemorrhage is blood coagulopathy or thrombin. So blood disorder, blood coagulation disorder, it may be acquired or congenital. So if a mother has any kind of blood disorders, that can be a chance of or a cause of postpartum hemorrhage. So this is all about the causes of postpartum hemorrhage.